Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I have watched many videos to how to speed up Windows 11, but the actual things and actual setting worked on my Windows is open the run command from here, and which I want to share with you. Type sysdm.cpl and hit the OK key here. And once you hit the OK key, go to the Advanced tab, then click on Performance and just enable four settings here. Enable peak, save taskbar and previews, show thumbnail instead of icons, and then smooth edge and screen fonts. By default, these are enabled on your system, but click on the box which says adjust for best performance. This will disable all the settings and just enable the four boxes here. These four boxes, and then click on apply, and then click on not this option. These are the four settings. Apply on OK and restart our Windows. This is the first setting. Next setting is open the task manager with the right click and go to the startup apps and disable all the startup apps. Right click, disable, right click and disable. Leave only the Defender one enabled and rest of them you can simply disable. And now restarts finally on your system and your system is running faster. Do let me know in the comment if your system is running now good. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.